Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be working once again with Nadula hair, and they decided to go ahead and send me this gorgeous 24-inch HD 13x4 lace frontal wig. It is super duper gorgeous and it is 100% glueless. I loved how easy this install was for me. Seeing that this was glueless, I only used one product and it just works like a charm. I'm loving the curls right now. The hair holds a curl really well. Like, it's been curled for about 30-35 minutes going on, and it's simply just beautiful. I love everything about this hair, and as always, if you'd like to purchase, which I would highly recommend, Nadula is one of the top sellers in my personal opinion for body wave wigs. Definitely check the description box below if you'd like to purchase, and let me go ahead and jump into today's tutorial so I can show you how to get your hair looking like this. Okay babes, so this is the final look, and this wig is from Nadula Hair. They decided to send me a 24-inch unit in body wave. It is a 13x4 lace frontal HD lace unit, so it blends really well. I loved plucking and just installing this hair altogether. It was a good one. I love the fact that all their HD laces are usually wigs that are glueless, so I didn't have to put any glue on it. I went ahead and used my Kenra working spray, the volume spray in number 25, and for my edges I also use this. So this product with this wig just goes hand in hand. The iron I'm using is the T3 iron. It is not the removable barrel one, so I think it's like a 1.2 something inch barrel, but it gets the curls so gorgeous and it has them staying there in place all day. So I highly recommend using these products with this hair to get this finished look. I'm loving the curls. They are everything right now, honey. So thank you so much to Nadula for sending me this gorgeous unit. I'm loving it, and if you'd like to see more, just subscribe to my channel. The links for this unit, if you'd like to purchase, will be in the description box below, so definitely go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye babes.